Okay, hello everyone. We're in Allie's car again. Can you stop? We're trying to film an intro. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my Martha May vlog. We're in Allie's car. She's doing the jobs again today.
Welcome.
And this is my Martha May look. Just if you could see the amount of floof, which you can. This is the situation I'm working with.
Hopefully we get some more commentary from the strangers this time.
There are so many people here. This place was supposed to close at 9. It's 8:55, 8:56 now, and it's popping. These people, they're all over the place. I tried to come when it was closed. I don't normally do cosplays after dark, but I tried to come when it was closed because I didn't want people in my pictures, and now they're clogging up
everywhere. They're like walking in the street.
They're walking the street. They're almost getting hit by cars. They're clogging up the light tunnel. So it's gonna make getting my content a little bit annoying. However, this is a public space, so they do have the right to be here. Anyways, I'll check back in with you once we're on the move on the road with the people. Okay. This is gonna be low light, but we're in the parking lot right now, walking over.
I'm gonna get hit by this car.
I'm aware of the car. Also, I'm kind of a big sight to see. Why is this not turning?
You're such a spectacle.
I know.
This bag keeps slipping off your shoulder.
I know, it's because there's a tripod in there.
You look terrific.
Thank you. Our first comment, we just got out of the car 30 seconds ago. When I was Bellatrix, nobody said anything. We're on our way to walk through the light tunnel. Wait, what if we see somebody I know? We definitely will.
That's gonna be very
But no, but they won't recognize you.
Yeah.
They'll recognize me.
What?
You guys know who I am?
No. Mrs. Claus?
Martha May.
Martha May from Grinch.
I mean, if she was Mrs. Claus, she'd have her hair down because this is quite the look.
This is not on purpose.
Thanks. All right, we're going through the light tunnel. We're the light tunnel. The response. I was like, why would she be bald?
Why would she be bald?
I was like, if she was Mrs. Claus, she'd be trying to look hot. Oh, look at all the lights.
There's a little sleigh.
Maybe you should get in the sleigh. No, actually,
we'll
never
go up
mind.
the fence.
Never mind. Here we are.
This is the opposite of the experience we had in Princeton, and no one had any sense.
People have stuff to say. But mostly,
Wait, so where are we going?
I don't know. I feel like we're just walking. I want to get your full look.
Cameron is like the most safe.
Oh yeah, you can see. I'm kind of under light here.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good spot. That there gazebo. That's the spot. Hi! A child said hi to me. A child with a unicorn hat. We're gonna have to wait until people really clear out to film some intro content. So see you soon. So we just walked past a child and he said very loudly, he goes, why does she look so ugly? Okay. And then I didn't hear it. All I heard was the mom say, you can't say things like that out loud. And then, it's just people think that she's Mrs. Claus and they don't get why she's bald. But I know. It's a stylistic choice. It's bold, but also, how dare he? Rude.
With the iPad
so
kids.
Ugly.
Why does
He was 6. He was 6 years old, and his sisters were like, "Shh." That child was mean. The way he said it too, it was like he really meant it.
Why would you say that?
I don't know.
Allie, I don't care.
I know, but I was like, that's so mean.
But that's so funny that that happened.
It's so funny.
Yeah. Merry Christmas! Child just yelled that it was Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus. Let me see.
But it's
On the bridge. 1, 2, on the bridge. Mommy's gonna take some pictures.
Ooh, getting like in the tree. Oh yeah, alright, ready? Ooh, yeah. Is that to you? Why? Oh, the gazebo's free. Alright, so my 2 cents is that children under the age of 4 think that I'm cool because they think I know Santa right now. Children about 5 and up are rude. Teenagers, also rude. Teenagers, like,
And then
but the
anyone-
right kind of
anyone,
teenager.
like, a little bit older than me, who's nice, thinks I'm cool, and old people, they just eat it up.
It's so steep.
It's literally a mountain. And my light stick.
She keeps almost hitting people with the tripod. I'm trying to go to the gazebo.
The location that everyone's been clogging up all night.
Here we are. A few hours in. I've lost feeling in all my fingers and all my
I'm
toes.
so cold. We've been waiting for this gazebo spot for like an hour and a half, if not longer. Who's working? Why it's so cold? It's so cold. Okay, this is running.
It's so cute here. Aw, it's a little winter wonderland. I know, but no, I'll fix it.
No, it's fine because I'm gonna be walking with a stick.
Wow. It took a lot for this to happen. Yeah, that was pretty good.
All right, then here I'll walk over. Okay, well that's it. We are freezing. Can't feel any of our digits anymore. But thanks guys so much for watching, and come back for more vlogs and cosplay content. Okay, we'll come back for more stuff. Thanks. Bye. Here, I would like to walk forward. I don't know why I'm walking back.